Welcome back to all of you. In this video, you will be learning the another topic of chapter first of your 11th class psychology book, and the chapter name is What is Psychology? So let's start this video. Or today's topic is psychology as a discipline. So psychology, it is a subject, we can say that it is a scientific subject which is deal how the people behave, how the people think, how even they feel. Actually, psychology is a multifaceted discipline. It is included the many subfields such as human development, clinical development, social behavior, mental behavior, or we can say that cognitive or brain or sports. When we talk about the psychology as a discipline, there are generally two type of streams. First is psychology as a natural sciences. Second is psychology as a social sciences. So let's understand this psychology as a natural sciences first. So in psychology as a natural sciences, it is already mentioned earlier that the psychology has its roots in the philosophy subject. In natural sciences, it deal with the physical world which is in lab, or we can say that laboratory are mostly linked to the natural sciences like biology and physics. Through this philosophy, or we can say that through this psychological study, the mental processes and the human behavior are deal or human behavior are concerned. Actually, in natural sciences, the physical as well as the biological sciences is deal in a different aspect. Second thing, it explains the human behavior, how human will behave in a different kind of situation. Third thing, whenever we are collecting any data which is under control with our cognitive mind. Fourth thing, which we study in the natural sciences, that is cause and effect of any kind of relationship. These are the keynotes. So if we talk about the psychology as a social sciences, in social psychology, it is scientific study which deal with the how people thought, how people think, how people feel, how people are behave. Generally, in social sciences as a psychology, social and the cultural sciences are studied in a same manner, same context. Humans are not only influenced by the social as well as the cultural context, they also create themselves. They also create these things, and the psychology as a social sciences discipline mostly focus on the human social behavior, human social being. To explain the human behavior, it is also studied in the psychology as a social sciences. Generally, whenever we are going to collect the data, it is just under the natural condition. And next, psychology as a social sciences we study as the interaction between the person and the socio-culture environment. लाइक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं, ट्विन्स अगर हैं हमारे पास में कोई, तो उनका बिहेवियर डिफरेंट काइंड में डिफरेंट सिचुएशन में डिफरेंट होगा. हाउ द पीपल आर बिहेविंग इन अ गिवन सिचुएशन विच इज़ अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, दैट इज साइकोलॉजी एज अ सोशल साइंसेस. तो इन शॉर्ट अगर मैं आपको समझाऊं कि सोशल साइंसेस इज द साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ द ह्यूमन सोसाइटी एंड द सोशल रिलेशनशिप. On the other hand, the natural sciences which deal with the physical world. So according to these two definitions, the psychology would fall under the natural sciences group. Let's quickly revise this topic in a very simple manner. Psychology as a natural sciences and psychology as a social sciences. तो फर्स्ट psychology as a natural sciences के बीच में आपने पढ़ा था कि यहाँ पे हम लोग फिजिकल और बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस देते हैं, वेराज इन यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि यहाँ सोशल एंड कल्चरल साइंसेस को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिया जा रहा है, उनके ज़्यादा कॉन्टेक्स्ट को ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे आपने पढ़ा था कि ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को हम लोग डील कर रहे हैं, एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. हेयर यू ऑल्सो स्टडी दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ह्यूमन बिहेवियर एंड डीलिंग अबाउट द behavior of human being. Here you have studied that whenever we collect the data which is under control the very conditions, but here whenever you are collecting any data which is under the control of natural sciences, or we can say that it is under the natural conditions. Here you have studied that we are studying the cause and effect of the relationship in psychology as a natural sciences. Here whenever you studied, it is the interaction between the person and its socio-culture context. गिवन सिचुएशन में किस तरीके से इंसान का बिहेवियर चेंज होता जाता है, दैट इज अ सोशल साइंसेस. So at the end, I just want to add one line that psychology is the modern discipline which main aim is to understand the complex kind of mental processes, behavior of any individual in a different context, and that is why it is treated as the psychology as the natural sciences as well as the psychology as the social sciences. That's it. Thanks for watching.